Katie here, and welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing well. I really need to take my trash out. Gosh, this is disgusting. Whew. There's a lot going on right now. I'm getting ready for work. Building off of last video, I guess, considering I was getting ready for school. But anyways, I don't know what the last two videos have been. Like the disorganization and like chaoticness of just my thoughts. I don't know, processes chill. Okay, anyways, I'm making ramen, right? Making ramen, taking out my trash. This is just okay. Oh, fudging butterscotch. There's a lot going on. Hold on. I'm gonna pause. I'm back. Okay. That was fun. Okay. Anyways. I can't with trash, you guys. Like literally. Ugh. I don't have a trash can on purpose. I use plastic bags because it's not a trash can. I cannot touch trash cans. It's a problem. It's a big problem. It's one of the reasons one of my last jobs didn't pan out, essentially, is a big reason for it. People just can't understand others' problems if they can't understand other people's problems. Like, I'm not gonna sit there and make you try and realize that I'm not you. Okay, we're gonna move on from this because I could rant all day about what happened at that job, but I don't know. I'm not going to. I'm making ramen. Okay, well, yeah. Ooh, steamy. Ah! I got condensation down my shirt. That's annoying. I'm not making any type of ramen. Oh yeah! It's my birthday week. Did I mention that last video? Probably not. Very, very chaotic. I'm having a hankering for my quote-unquote homemade spaghetti-o ramen. It's nothing fancy, honestly. It's just like, well, here's the thing though, it also doesn't taste like ramen at all, or SpaghettiOs. It just kind of resembles it. What you're gonna need: some ramen, flavor of your choice. I think chicken ramen's probably the best. I have beef right here, and then I have, well, I started it, it's got 2 cloves of garlic in it, just because all of my ramens always have cloves of garlic in them, usually whole. I'm experimenting with a piece of cheese today. The most basic level is ketchup and a little bit of white vinegar. And that's really all it is. But I'm gonna experiment with the cheese today because I feel like I haven't had SpaghettiOs for, well, recently I had them, but I hadn't had SpaghettiOs before that for a decade. Maybe a little less, by a year or two, but in all essence, a decade, right? And so one day, I don't know, I probably just hadn't gotten to the grocery store that week. I ran out of sauces and stuff to put in my ramen. I was hankering for a ramen. So I put ketchup in it, and I was like, you know what? I probably put a whole bunch of other things in it. Also, like seasonings, like, I might, I think I will. I'm going to put some seasonings in this. It's going to be onion powder. I already have the garlic in there, honestly, though. Some more garlic flavor never hurts. Yeah, no, that's all I'm going to put it. Okay, so we got some onion powder in there, and I'm incorporating this cheese in here. I don't know how this is going to work. or if it's going to work very well, but I ran out of ketchup. So cheese, ketchup. Usually there's a little more water in here, but yeah, I don't know. I ate it one day and I was like, you know what, this is decent. And then I was like, it's missing something. And it was vinegar. I put vinegar in it. And I was like, you know what this reminds me of? It's got like a rounded taste, just like of tomato. Ooh, I think I'm gonna overdo it if I put more, but I put more. It's like the tiniest splash of vinegar, just the tiniest bit. Wow, I forgot everything I was going to talk about just then. Like, what was I talking about before the vinegar thing? Was it ketchup? Was it? I think I was just repeating myself on. I probably ran out of sauces to put in this, because honestly, a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of hot sauce, it goes a long way in some ramen. And I cooked off the water. I didn't pour out the water, but that's my preference. Here is my spaghetti-o flavored ramen. Yup. That hits the spot. I don't know what it is. That cheese is really good in it. I think it really, really helped it, like, kick through the vinegar. Gives it a little bit more of like a cream than a sauce type texture. That's good. Okay, well, as good as ketchup and ramen can be, I think. You could probably make it a little better. You know what I want to try? Banana ketchup. I'm gonna get that one day soon, hopefully. I don't know where, but I'm gonna try. Anyways, I have to make my coffee now because I've got 20 minutes to be at work. Or whatever. So, yeah. Anyways, like I said, it's my birthday week. I'm excited. I think it's between 7 and 9 items for my yearly birthday cake flavor thing. And you guys, as much as I'm looking forward to that video, with me not editing anymore, it's not only going to be chaos, but it's going to be long. And y'all are going to, like, those videos, filming those videos it's just complete chaos. You'll see when I upload it on my birthday. Yeah. Okay, well, maybe I don't upload it on my birthday, but I don't know. It's gonna depend, I guess, now how many videos I have, but always filming on my birthday. I hope that you have a lovely day, time, night, void, wherever you're at. I'm gonna go.